Franski enterprise. It is a group of people from all the specialization in fields they're in, trying to bring in sustainable education, sustainability, you can even say sustainable development, vocational training, and financial education under the same umbrella in the fifth generation, or you can call it Web 3. When you look at the campus, we have three kind of categorizations inside it. This is an institute, it's also a tech house, and then again it's a research lab as well, or it's a research center you can say. Here at Franski Enterprise, we have a genre of students, professionals who are working in the IT sector. What we are trying to do, we are trying to build a community. There is no gender biasness inside this campus. This is basically open for all. We don't believe in age, gender, transactionality. There are a multitude of services that we are providing, starting from film production and media, sound design, e-commerce, digital marketing or marketing as a whole, accounts and finance, 2D and 3D animation and graphic design, web development, DevOps engineering, and data security and data protection. The plus point that we have is that we have like a huge team of students majoring in GIS. Franski Enterprise is a new opportunity for people. We are trying to help our community. The Web 3 world is all about creators, so topmost priority is to work on athletes and then again content creators and artists as a whole. Our goal is to at least sign 1,000 of them.